Good morning, everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise problems from lines and angles. The first question is, we have AB and CD as two lines, AOB and COD as two lines, where in line AOB, OC and OE are two rays, and coming to angle COD as a line, OE and OB as two rays. What they give as angle AOC plus angle BOE, that is angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. Angle BOD they gave as 40 degrees. We have to find angle BOE. We have to find angle BOE and we have to find reflex of angle COE. Reflex of angle COE we have to find. The first step what we have to do is, we'll take AOB. In AOB is a line where OC and OE are bisectors. Now, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equal to 180 degrees. Why? The reason is sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. Now, angle AOC plus angle BOE they gave us 70 degrees plus angle COE equal to 180 degrees. That shows angle COE equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees equal to 110 degrees. That means 110 degrees is angle COE. But what we have to find? We have to find reflex of angle COE. Reflex of angle COE equal to, reflex of angle COE is equal to 360 degrees minus angle COE, that is 360 degrees minus 110 degrees equal to 250 degrees. Reflex of angle COE we got as 250 degrees. Reflex angle COE we got as 250 degrees. Now we have to find BOE. How can we find? See, we know COD is a line where OE and OB are two bisectors. Now, angle BOE plus angle BOD plus angle COE. Angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD equal to 180 degrees. What will be the reason? The reason is sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. Angle COE we got as 110 degrees plus angle BOE we have to find it out. Angle BOD they gave us 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle BOE plus 110 plus 40 will be 150 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Then angle BOE equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees equal to 30 degrees. The angle of angle BOE is 30 degrees. The next problem is, we have XY and MN as two lines where the two lines intersect at point O. They gave POY as 90 degrees and they gave A and B, that is POM and MOX, they gave in the ratio of A and B with ratio 2:3. Now we have to find angle C, that is angle XON. What we'll do is, as we have A and B in the ratio of 2:3, let us assume that is, for ratio A is to B will be 2x is to 3x. What we know is angle B, see B plus A plus angle POY equal to 180 degrees. What can be the reason? Sum of angles in a straight line. Sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. Simple. We know B as 3x plus A as 2x plus angle POY as 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 3x plus 2x equal to 5x plus 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 5x equal to 90 degrees, x will be 18 degrees. When we divide 90 with 5, we'll get x as 18 degrees. But what we know, a as 2x, a equal to 2x, b equal to 3x. That is, when we substitute x equal to 18 in this, then it will be 2 into 18 will become 36, 3 into 18 will become 54. Now we can check also. When 36 and 54 are divided with 18, then 18 will be 2 times of 36, 18 will be 3 times of 54, then it will be in the ratio of 2:3. In what way they give. Now what we have to find is, we have to find C. How can we find C? We know MON is a line where OX is a bisector. That means see, MON is a line, OX is bisector. That is, B plus C equal to 180 degrees. The reason will be linear pair. See, B we have 54 degrees plus C equal to 180 degrees. C equal to 180 degrees minus 54 degrees equal to 126 degrees. C equal to 126 degrees. So the final answer of C will be 126 degrees. Next problem is, we have PQR as a triangle where Q is extended to S, R is extended to T, R is extended to T, where QR lies on line C, ST. Now they give PQR equal to PRQ. We have to prove angle PQS equal to angle PRT. What we'll do is, first, angle PQS plus angle PQR equal to 180 degrees. Why? Linear pair. Angle PQS equal to angle PQR. Angle PQR equal to 180 degrees minus angle PQS. This one we'll put it in a box and we'll name it as equation 1. Coming to the next thing, angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Same reason. Angle PRQ equal to 180 degrees minus angle PRT. We'll put it in a box. We'll name it as equation 2. Now we know angle PQR equal to angle PRQ. That means equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Okay. When we equate 1 and equate 2, then it will be 180 degrees minus angle PQS equal to 180 degrees minus PRT. That is, 180 will get cancelled, minus and minus will get cancelled, then it will be PQS equal to PRT. What they told to prove, angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Angle PQS equal to angle PRT, hence proved. The next problem is, we have AOB as a line where in line AOB, OC is a ray and OD is also a ray. They gave x plus y equal to w plus z, and we have to prove now AOB is a line. See, how can we prove? See, first step will be x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degrees because it is a complete angle. Because it is complete angle. See, because it is a complete angle. Now what they gave is x plus y is equal to w plus z. That is, x plus y plus w plus z is equal to x plus y. That means x plus y equal to 360 degrees. 2 times of x plus y equal to 360 degrees. That means x plus y equal to 360 by 2 equal to 180 degrees. See, we proved x plus y equal to 180 degrees. But when AOB is a line, OC is a ray, then by x plus y equal to 180 degrees by linear pair. Okay, as x plus y equal to 180 degrees by linear pair, we got x plus y equal to 180 degrees, then simply it shows AOB is a line, hence proved. The next problem is, this problem is very important. See, coming to this problem, they gave POQ is a line where OR is perpendicular to PQ line. That means obviously ROQ is equal to ROP as 90 degrees because OR is perpendicular to PQ. Now we have OS is a ray which is bisecting from POR. Now we'll take individually. Now first if you take angle POR equal to 90 degrees, that means we can write angle POR in terms of ROS, because at last we have to get the answer in terms of ROS, because we have to prove angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Angle POR can be written in terms of ROS is angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degrees. That is angle ROS equal to 90 degrees minus angle POS. We'll keep it in a box and we'll name it as equation 1. Now coming to angle QOR. Angle QOR equal to 90 degrees. See, why angle POR equal to 90 degrees? Because OR is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to PQ. Angle QOR I have to write in terms of ROS. That is angle QOS minus angle ROS equal to 90 degrees. That is angle QOS minus 90 degrees. When this comes to left hand side, it will become minus. When this minus angle ROS goes to the right hand side, it will become plus. That is angle ROS. This will be equation 2. See, we have equation 1 and equation 2. Both we have angle ROS and angle ROS. Now what we'll do is we'll add equation 1 plus equation 2. Then what will happen? It will become 2 angle ROS equal to 90 degrees minus angle POS plus angle QOS minus 90 degrees. That is plus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees will get cancelled. The remaining will be 2 angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Now angle ROS equal to angle QOS minus angle POS whole by 2. See, simply we can write it as angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. What we want? Angle QOS we got it as ROS we got it as half of angle QOS minus angle POS. The last problem in exercise 6.1 is angle XYZ they gave us 64 degrees. XY is produced to point P. Ray YQ is bisecting angle ZYP. You have to find angle XYQ and angle, you have to find XYQ and reflex of angle. You have to find XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. Okay. Now what we have to do is, first we know as YQ is a bisector. YQ bisects ZYP. Okay, YQ is bisecting ZYP. That shows angle PYQ is equal to angle ZYQ because YQ is bisecting ZYP. Now coming to the solution, we now XYP is a line, then angle PYQ plus angle ZYQ plus angle ZYX equal to 180 degrees. What will be the reason? The reason is sum of angles in a straight line. Sum of angles in a straight line is 180 degrees. Angle PYQ and angle ZYQ both are equal. Angle PYQ and ZYQ are equal because YQ bisects ZYP. That means 2 times of plus angle ZYX equal to 180 degrees. Angle ZYX they gave as, how much they gave? ZYX they gave as 64 degrees equal to ZYX plus 2 angle PYQ equal to 180 degrees. ZYX they gave as 64 degrees. 2 angle PYQ equal to 180 degrees. 2 angle PYQ equal to 180 minus 64 degrees. Angle PYQ equal to 180 minus 64 will be 116 divided by 2 equal to 58 degrees. Angle PYQ what we got is 58 degrees. But what we have proved, PYQ is equal to ZYQ. Angle PYQ equal to angle ZYQ equal to 58 degrees. What we have to find? We have to find XYQ and angle QYP. We got QYP as 58 degrees. Now the reflex of QYP will be reflex of angle QYP equal to 360 degrees minus 58 degrees. Then it will be 302 degrees. Reflex of angle QYP will be 302 degrees. Now we have to find angle XYQ. See, angle XYQ equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. XYZ is 64 degrees. ZYQ previously we got as 58 degrees. Then it will be 64 plus 58 will be 122 degrees. Angle XYQ will be 122 degrees. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section.